Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been on a road trip and felt like you were melting inside your RV? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the best RV air conditioners on the market that promise to keep you cool no matter how hot it gets outside. Whether you're planning a summer adventure or living on the road, a reliable AC is a game changer. Don't forget, if you see something you like, check out the links in the description to snag one for yourself. Let's crank up the cool and jump right into it. The number 5 product on our list is FOGATTI RV Air Conditioner. The FOGATTI RV Air Conditioner is an excellent choice for RV owners looking for a powerful and efficient cooling solution. With 13500 BTUs of cooling power and dual high-efficiency compressors, it rapidly cools your RV, making it perfect for hot summer trips. Its intelligent temperature control ensures optimal performance while keeping energy consumption low, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option. The high-strength ABS shell provides durability, allowing it to withstand harsh weather conditions. Additionally, it runs on standard 115V power, making it compatible with most RV electrical systems. While the installation process is straightforward, professional setup is recommended for best performance. One downside is that it's a non-inducted unit, meaning airflow is concentrated in one area. However, for those seeking fast, efficient, and reliable cooling, the FOGATTI RV Air Conditioner is a great investment that enhances comfort on the road. At number 4 is TOSOT Go Cool RV Air Conditioner. Ever wish your RV air conditioner could do more than just cool? The TOSOT Go Cool RV Air Conditioner is here to impress, offering both 15,000 BTU cooling and 12,000 BTU heating, perfect for year-round comfort on the road. Whether you're braving the desert heat or keeping cozy in the winter, this unit has you covered. One of the standout features? Smart Wi-Fi control. No more fumbling with buttons, just grab your phone, open the RecPro app, and adjust your settings effortlessly. Plus, with an EER 8.5 rating, this unit delivers top-tier efficiency without guzzling power. Installation? A breeze. The non-inducted design fits standard 14.25x vent openings, making it compatible with most RVs. So, should you buy it? If you need powerful, energy-efficient, and smart climate control, this is a fantastic option. Just remember, it's a ductless system, so make sure it fits your setup. The third one on our list is Furrion Chill Replacement RV Air Conditioner. Looking for a powerful, efficient, and quiet RV air conditioner? The Furrion Chill Replacement RV Air Conditioner might be just what you need. With 15500 BTUs of cooling power and a dual fan system, it cools your RV 25% faster than single-fan units. Plus, the built-in start capacitor helps jump-start your unit even when campsite power is limited. One of its standout features? Ultra-quiet operation. The Vibration Smart technology minimizes noise so you can relax without that constant AC hum. And when it comes to durability, the UV-resistant cover and EPP foam housing protect against water, debris, and overheating. Installation is a breeze, especially with the included conversion kit that makes it compatible with Coleman, Dometic, and Advent air systems. But is it the right choice for you? If you want fast cooling, energy efficiency, and quiet performance, this is a solid option. However, some users report freezing issues, so keep that in mind. On number 2 is RecPro RV Air Conditioner. Imagine staying cool on the road without worrying about power consumption. Sounds like a dream, right? The RecPro RV Air Conditioner makes it a reality with its low amp draw, allowing you to run other appliances while keeping your RV comfortably cool. But that's not all. This unit goes beyond cooling. The built-in dehumidifier tackles excess moisture, making your space feel fresher and more comfortable no matter the season. Plus, with an ultra-quiet 55.4 decibel operation, it's quieter than a gentle rain, ensuring peaceful nights. Functionality is key, and RecPro delivers with an easy-to-use remote control, multiple cooling modes, and a touchscreen LED display for effortless adjustments. Durability? Covered. The rugged plastic build ensures long-lasting performance. So should you buy it? If you want energy efficiency, quiet operation, and multifunctionality, this is a solid choice. However, some users prefer a stronger heating function, so consider your climate needs. Now moving to the last one is Icon 1000 544 RV Air Conditioner. Looking to protect your RV's air conditioner from the elements? The Icon 1000 544 RV Air Conditioner shroud is a game changer. Unlike flimsy factory covers that crack under sun exposure, this heavy-duty, UV-resistant polymer shroud is built to last. It's thicker and stronger than the original, meaning better protection for your AC unit against hail, debris, and harsh weather. Installation? A breeze. It fits perfectly onto Dometic Duotherm Brisk Air new style models using existing bolt holes for a secure fit. The best part? It doesn't just protect, it enhances durability, extending the life of your RV air conditioner. If you're tired of brittle, aging shrouds falling apart, this is your solution. Should you buy it? If you want long-lasting protection and easy installation, it's a no-brainer. However, if your model isn't compatible, be sure to check measurements before purchasing. So, after testing and comparing all these fantastic RV air conditioners, the Furrion Chill Replacement RV Air Conditioner takes the top spot. With its powerful 15500 BTU cooling, dual fan efficiency, and ultra-quiet operation, it's the perfect blend of performance and comfort. Whether you're battling the summer heat or just need reliable cooling, this one stands out. Let me know in the comments. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.